What is up, all of you freaking crackers? I'm back. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever the hell you celebrate. I don't know. I don't know much about holidays because, I don't celebrate holidays really. But hey, I'm back. Now, there's a couple people who have asked me on this channel, dude, you know what you should do? You should do a house tour. You should really do a house tour, dude. Can you do a house tour for us? Because, you mostly make videos walking around in your big-ass backyard. And it's in the background, I see your house. And it looks like a nice house. You should make a house tour. Hey, do you know what you should do? Do you know what you should do, dude? You should make a house tour. Make a house tour. No, I can't do a full house tour. And here's why. Because other people live here. So, yeah. Yeah, that's easy. But, I mean, I've made videos in the kitchen before. Here's the kitchen. It's kind of a mess right now, so I don't really want to go through it. Sorry. Well, I haven't had guests in a week, so yeah. Here's the dining room table. One of the chairs is missing. That's very tragic. But yeah, honestly though, there's nothing too crazy about this house, the main house. It's just a normal 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom house. Kitchen, living room's that way, and then down here, guest bathroom, bedroom 1, closet, bedroom 2, my bedroom. This is my bedroom right here. This is where the magic happens. You guys ready? Nah, I'm just joking. We'll go in there one day though. Here's the master bedroom right here where the other bathroom is. And that's really it. That's this house. It's not crazy big, but it's good enough. Really, the thing I really like in this house is, because, we got a pool that we don't fucking use because, thanks. But over there, you guys know what I'm talking about. The guest house over there. So really, there's 2 houses here. In that house, it has a toilet and a sink. So you really could consider that its own house. So yeah, that's my house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, this hasn't really been a house tour. But I will tell you one thing I really like in this house. This oven right here. Boop. This wonderful thing. I love making food with this. I like making fries and fake meat and all kinds of shit. So yeah, it's very good. Anyway, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed the non-existent house tour. But yeah, I haven't really felt the drive to make a house tour. There's not a lot of crazy, awesome things in this house to show you. It's just a normal fucking American family house. Bye-bye.